In today's uvex X showcase, I have the pleasure of introducing you to the new models from our latest product family, the uvex 2 trend. The new models in the uvex 2 trend series are your ideal companions for demanding tasks in assembly, logistics, and the manufacturing industry. While the S3S microvelours and leather versions can be worn both indoors and outdoors, we especially recommend the textile S1PS knit shaft versions for indoor use, where you want to enjoy maximum breathability and comfort. For the toe cap, we continue to use the proven steel cap that has been tried and tested within the Trend series. It enables the slim design in the forefoot and, according to our uvex overperformance test results, far exceeds the European standard requirements. New is the textile penetration protection, which is installed in all 6 new developments. Thanks to its flexibility, it offers even more wearing comfort and has been tested against the thin 3mm test nail. You can also recognize this by the standard abbreviation S1PS or S3S, which is printed on the heel area. Another special feature is the textile knit shaft material. In addition to its lightness, this offers the highest wearing comfort and maximum breathability. Just like in the microfiber variants, the forefoot is protected by a certified overcap. The outsole impresses with its fuel resistance as well as excellent slip resistance and low abrasion, even on very demanding surfaces. The specially shaped TPU lacing bar allows for easy lacing and at the same time optimized stability in the midfoot area. All models are available in sizes 35 to 52 and in 3 different widths. And one more very important detail to finish: the ergonomically shaped and extremely cushioning midsole contains up to 10% PU granulate from our own production, thereby also reducing the CO2 footprint. So, as you can see, the uvex 2 Trend collection offers comprehensive protection and reliably supports you in all your activities.